everyone, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Heart palette. This is the second version that they have done. I already hauled the first one that they came out with like last Christmas or so. I did that video in January, so if you want to check out that video, you can check that out here. But today I'm going to be covering the second one that they released, and I'm going to go through, show you guys all the products in there and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so the first thing I got is this giant chocolate box. And what I really like about these boxes is, especially when you can get them on sale, it's like a really good deal because you get quite a few products in here. So with this one, I believe it comes with 4 different products. I paid $27.50 for this on the sale price, and it usually comes with like exclusive eyeshadow palettes that you can only get in this set that they don't sell individually. So that's another reason why I like to get these, because a lot of the times they put like some of the best eyeshadow palettes in these sets. But like I said, I think I paid about $27.50 for this one. And if they do still sell this, this would be such a cute like little Valentine's gift. Like, just, it's so precious. Okay, so let's open up this bad boy. And not to mention, like, the box of this is so cute. Like, I still have the other giant pink heart that I have and the giant chocolate bar box. I still keep those. They're just so cute. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what the inside of the box looks like. It comes with 4 different products. 2 of them are eyeshadow palettes. One is a face palette, and then you get one single like highlighter. So the first palette that comes in here, this is the I Heart Revolution Gingerbread Palette. So this is what this one looks like. And when I open it up, this one has kind of an interesting color story. This one, honestly, I don't know, not my favorite. I feel like it's just kind of got like a lot of funky colors just kind of thrown around. But I've also done a few videos, if you guys have seen, I've done like these palette switch videos where I Photoshop the eyeshadow palette by just rearranging the colors and like showing you how, I don't know, how much better I think an eyeshadow palette would look just based on the color placement. So I feel like I might do that with some of these palettes and kind of show you guys how I think they would be best rearranged. And I've always wanted to actually like pop these out and arrange them in the way that I liked, but sometimes it's just really hard to like get these little pans out and I risk breaking them. So that's why I usually never actually rearrange my palettes, but it's just still kind of like a fun thing to do, and I like making videos on that. So I might do more of those, especially for these types of palettes that I think like could look so much better. But yeah, so this is the Gingerbread palette. The next eyeshadow palette, this one is called the Honey Chocolate Shadow Palette. I don't believe I have this one. It looks similar to like the waffle palette. Is that what it was? The like maple syrup and waffle one. It's kind of got like that clear see-through little chocolate bar pattern on here. And then when I open this one up, okay, when I'm looking at this, I feel like it looks really familiar. I don't know if I own this one or not, so I will have to see. So I'm not going to touch this one or anything just in case. I do already own this one, and I'll pass it along to, again, like a friend or family. But that is the Honey palette, and I feel like I might have this now that I'm thinking about it. I don't know, I'll have to look. Then the next palette is a face palette. So again, it has the same setup. This one is called the Toffee Apple Chocolate Face Palette. I'm excited to see what this one looks like. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Okay, so this one has 5 face products in it. So it's kind of got like this one here. It's almost like a satiny kind of bronzer. Then it's got this really deep one here. It's kind of got like a couple like highlighter-y kind of colors and a little bit of like a blushy color here. So I'll have to try that one out and see what I think. I really like that you could like do like a whole face with this because you've got all your face products in here, but you could totally do an eyeshadow look with this as well. So this is like something I feel like I would totally bring with me and stuff when I travel a lot, just because it's everything in one and I don't have to worry about having like, I don't know, a blush, a bronzer, a highlighter, and then eyeshadows on top of it. It's nice having that all in one piece. And then the last product in this set is the Marshmallow Heart Highlighter. I love the packaging of these. It's just so adorable. And this one is a highlighter, and it's one of those like little striped ones. I feel like this would be such a pretty highlighter on me. I'm gonna put this on. I don't have any other like face makeup on, but I'm gonna try this one, just see what I think. So I'm just gonna swirl it all around and kind of see what I end up with. Ooh, I feel like that's so pretty. It almost has like a slight like pinky kind of color to it, which I don't mind. It's actually like really pretty. It's kind of got like a lot of like champagnes, but then it's got like a duochromy pink one in here. It's actually really, really pretty. So that one is super cute, and that is the last item that comes in the chocolate heart set. And again, I paid $27.50 for that, and usually these palettes are about 15 bucks a piece, so just 2 of those palettes would be more than the price of this entire box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later.